The following is a PSA for solar energy, presented by Jeffrey Case, Colin Kincaid, and Lindsay Frisk. What is solar energy? Solar power is energy from the sun that is converted into thermal or electrical energy. With the help of technology, solar panels can generate electricity while providing light and heating for both domestic and industrial needs. Solar energy is renewable in that its source is based off of the sun, rather than relying on non-renewable fossil fuels. A large benefit in solar energy is that it has immensely lower carbon dioxide emissions when compared to coal, oil, and natural gas. Powering our homes. The U.S. solar industry is growing at a fast rate. In 2014, there were 30% more installation of photovoltaic or solar systems compared to 2013. The amount of megawatts the solar industry generates has enough electrical capacity to power 4.3 million American homes. Given the right allocation, the United States could eventually power the entire country with solar energy. Current solar energy usage. Currently, the United States solar consumption is 0.4% in regards to the total energy consumed. As of 2014, 1% of the world's electricity is generated by solar energy. Areas outside of the U.S. that are leading with solar usage are Germany, China and Taiwan, Europe and the United Kingdom, Japan, and Italy. Funding solar energy. The funding for solar energy research and development comes from both the public and the private sector. In 2014, the U.S. Department of Energy has given out $30 billion in loans, loan guarantees, and commitments to more than 30 projects. However, not all of this money goes directly into solar energy. In 2013, the United States Department of Energy spent $1.7 billion on subsidies for energy efficiency and renewable energy. Cost of solar energy. Many factors go into the cost of a solar system. The wattage level of photovoltaic panels, inverters, electrical wiring components, racking and mounting hardware, and installation labor cost. National average cost per watt produced is between $3 and $6. How much space is needed? Well, for a large home, a 5 kilowatt system is suggested for installation. It requires about 25 panels for this. The usual household panel is 65 inches by 39 inches. This requires approximately 440 square feet to power your home. Maintenance. Solar panels require very little maintenance. With no moving parts, they rarely break. Occasional checks should be made to ensure that there is no dirt or debris on the panels. If so, they can simply be washed off with a garden hose. Some issues with solar energy. The biggest problem is the cost. It's expensive semiconductor materials. It requires special manufacturing environments that are expensive to build and maintain. The transmission lines from solar farms are also expensive, 5 to 11 times more expensive than coal, hydro, or nuclear. It's hard to store energy after the sun sets, and low efficiency of approximately 22%. How solar energy can be improved. Curbing the many cost aspects of solar energy is needed to make it used more widely. Scientists need to discover more efficient semiconductors. Engineers need to devise more efficient production techniques. New storage and transmission technology is needed to bring a consistent supply of solar energy to the market. Current consumption. At this moment in time, fossil fuels are the most used to create energy. Approximately, the world uses 17.7 terawatts of energy. Sources of this energy is from both non-renewable and renewable sources such as oil, coal, natural gas, solar, wind, and hydropower. Energy use keeps increasing. We need 1.632 Earths to allow us to continue in this manner. Some alternatives needed. Though some renewable resources are being used, the world needs to be more aware of what is happening. Green energy is important to combat the harmful issues that come along with the large consumption amount. Solar energy is very helpful in many regions of the world. Regions of high temperatures with lots of sun can use this and convert it into energy. Conclusion. Though there are costs to solar energy, the benefits outweigh them. Critics may disagree, but it is sustainable and healthy for the environment compared to fossil fuels. This resource is very important to ensure that the quality of life does not degrade any further. It slows climate change, does not harm the environment or human health, and it creates jobs. Every source of energy has at least a few drawbacks, but solar energy provides more than it takes. Thank you for watching our short PSA on solar energy. We hope you enjoyed it. Here are the works that we cited.